Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make funnel cake without oil. First, understand that we'll be using baking or air frying methods to achieve that classic funnel cake experience, but with less fat. This approach ensures a delightful treat with a crispy outside and a soft, fluffy inside. Getting the batter just right is crucial for the perfect shape and texture. You'll find that the process is quite straightforward, using everyday kitchen tools and simple ingredients you likely already have. To begin, let's gather our ingredients and essential tools. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of milk, and 1 large egg. Don't forget 1½ teaspoons of baking powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt for that perfect rise and flavor. For shaping, a piping bag or even a simple plastic sandwich bag with a small tip cut off will work wonderfully. Finally, have your air fryer ready, or a baking sheet lined with parchment paper if you're baking. Now let's get to baking. First, in a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, combine the wet ingredients, milk, egg, and a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract for extra flavor. Gradually add the wet mixture to the dry, stirring until you have a smooth, thick batter, similar to a pancake batter. Then, pipe your batter in a classic swirl pattern onto parchment paper on a baking sheet, or directly into your preheated air fryer basket. For cooking, if using an air fryer, preheat it to 370 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 6 to 8 minutes, flipping halfway through. If baking, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 18 to 20 minutes. Look for a beautiful golden brown color. Once done, immediately dust your warm funnel cake generously with powdered sugar. Serve it right away with your favorite toppings, like fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or a drizzle of chocolate sauce for an extra special treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.